If you want to remove a payment method from your Crunchyroll account, follow these simple steps to ensure your billing information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Go to Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or remove the payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the Remove option and confirm your choice when prompted. This will delete the selected payment method from your account. Make sure to check your account to ensure the payment method has been successfully removed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Crunchyroll support for assistance.